Hi, I'm Anton with 27 North, and today we'll talk about how to turn on and off your refrigerator. So our refrigerators are working both on 110 volt and on 12 volt. So to turn off your refrigerator, you would go into this cabinet. You'll pull this plug from the outlet, and this disconnects your 110 volts. To stop your system from supplying 12 volts to your refrigerator, you would go into your PDC, find a fuse that says fridge, and pull it out. If your refrigerator is off and you want to turn it on, you would need to go into PDC, and if you're missing a fuse, you would install a fuse where it says the fridge, and you would go into the cabinet right next to the refrigerator and plug in the refrigerator fork into the outlet. I hope this video helped you with turning on and off the refrigerator, and if you have any more questions, please list them down in the comments below, and we'll be sure to make another video. I'm Anton with 27 North. Bye.